In this video, I'll give you an overview of how to use the CallRail application on your phone. This will help you manage your company phone calls, form submissions, and text messages. If you're working with us, we create your CallRail account and configure the tracking, and then we'll email you an invite to be a manager on the account to give you access. So you open our email invite link and then create an account from there, and then you'll be ready to log into CallRail. With the account created, you can then download the app on your phone for free, open it, and log in with your newly created account. So let's do that now. Once logged in, we can save our password, and here is our home screen. This main screen shows us our call log, our inbound, outbound, and missed calls. So here you can manage all your calls, you can return calls, and you can even listen to voicemails. By default, these calls are sorted by date within the last 30 days, but we can change how this is sorted with these icons here at the top right. The first icon configures how the calls are sorted, so by default it'll be descending by date, but you could set it to sort by, say, the call duration, so the longest calls first, or any of the other options available. Your middle icon will be the filters, so you can filter first the date range. So rather than the current default 30 days up to today, you can set it to the last 7 days, or past calls, say within the last year or the last year. You could also filter by tags. So by default, you should have no tags, but you can add tags to specific calls to sort them in different categories. For example, if you have an existing customer that's calling, you can tag them as that and then filter by just your existing customers. Or if you have new conversions, you can tag a call as a conversion. So tagging is a great way to help with organization. Then we also have a call type filter, which you can read here is pretty self-explanatory. So that's sorting and filtering, and you also have a third search icon. You can search for different calls. Alright, so that is the main page of the CallRail application. That is our call log tab. You'll see here at the bottom of the screen, we have 4 different tabs or pages we can access. So our first page being the call log, which we just went over. If we go one page over, you'll see text messages. Here you can see any text messages to your tracked phone numbers. So here we just have one text message here as a test just to show you how it works. So we received this text at 7 p.m. May 11th, 2023, and we can click into this to read more. And this lets you view the text log and even send messages back. For more information on the sender, you can click the 3 dots at the top right, and it'll tell you a little bit more about who's texting and from where. So there are your text messages. The next tab over on your bottom menu screen will be form submissions. So here we're looking at our form submissions, and once again we only have one form to show, and this was just a test form that we sent out yesterday. We can click into this form and it'll tell you the dates from where on the website was this form submitted. And then if we scroll down, we can see the form fields that they filled out, their first, last name, their email, their company, and the questions or comments that they had. So this will depend on how your form is set up, what information you're asking for, it will be displayed here. So there's form submissions, all 3 of these tabs, text, call, and forms. Whenever you click on any specific log, you can scroll down to the very bottom and there is a tag feature or a note. So you can either add a tag to help with organization. As we saw earlier, you can filter by tags, and you can also add a note at the bottom to help remind yourself something about a customer, like make sure to call them back or give them this promo, etc. So those are the main tabs you're going to be working in. You also have a 4th and final tab, the settings tab. Here you can switch accounts, add your number, sign out, or configure your notifications. Alright, so that is the CallRail application. It is fairly simple, and it's really going to help you stay up to date on your calls. Say you're not at a computer, well, you still have access to all this information and can easily respond to customers. So that's going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching.